Hey, think about this for a minute. Every solid object you've ever thrown away still exists somewhere. If you knew where to look, you could go to a landfill and find every aluminum can, every plastic jug, every broken baby stroller or swing set. According to the EPA, the average American produces about 1,600 pounds of garbage a year. And there it sits in a landfill somewhere, taking thousands of years or even longer to fully degrade. But what about the objects you've recycled? Well, that aluminum can you recycled when you were 10 could be part of the same can you drank from yesterday. And the frame of that old bicycle you loved as a child could now be part of the car you drive. Recycling on an industrial level is extremely efficient and cost-effective. Large amounts of non-ferrous metals such as aluminum, brass, copper, iron, and steel can be reused at only a fraction of the cost of extracting those metals from the raw materials again. Now, recycling on the consumer level is a little more challenging, especially in rural areas. Typically, the price that large processing centers can pay per pound for recyclable consumer products such as plastic and paper is so little that it does not cover the cost of collection, sorting, or transportation to the processing centers. That's where Vista Recycling can help. Vista Recycling has been doing waste management and recycling in Graham and Greenlee counties since 1984, a family-owned business 4 generations deep. With a fleet of all types of trucks maintained at our facility in Safford, we're anxious to promote proper waste management and recycling in this area. Hey, we live here too. Now, there are things we can all do to reduce waste and promote recycling. First, you can be a conscientious consumer by creating less waste. Do you buy products that come in recyclable containers or products without a lot of extra packaging? If so, you're helping already. The next step is to be aware of what you may be wasting. Are you throwing away something that could be saved and used for another purpose? The next thing you can do is bring your recyclable materials to our warehouse in Safford for sorting. We'll pay you the market rate per pound for all recyclable metals. We have an aluminum can masher that makes bricks of about 1,040 cans each. The bricks are then stacked into pallets of 96 bricks each, altogether weighing about 2,100 pounds. And as we collect enough pallets, we can load full trucks with hundreds of thousands of crushed cans and efficiently transport them to the processing centers. Vista Recycling also has a cardboard baler to deal with recyclable corrugated material. We're able to strip all types of insulated wire, and we accept batteries and other precious metals. Consumer-level recycling is a challenging problem, and it only makes sense when done on a large scale. But when entire communities participate in a spirit of cooperation, it can be effective and can have a measurable impact on our landfills. Recycling works, if we all do our part. With local waste management and recycling efforts, Vista Recycling is your one-stop shop. We've been putting up with your trash for 35 years. Vista Recycling, waste management for the 21st century.